Hi, I'm Kenny from Sustainability Matters. Last year, you supported our Making Trash Bloom project, where we go to landfills and plant native pollinator habitats atop of closed landfill cells. This year, we're asking for your support to help us plant native pollinator habitats here in Winchester, Virginia at their flagship park. In spring of 2022, Sustainability Matters approached the city of Winchester with the idea of installing a meadow here at Jim Barnett Park. There was just a big patch of kind of unused space that was at this park.
The Arboretum is a large green space in front of our main park. So the front of the park has a pretty expansive green space full of trees and natural habitat. And in the middle of the Arboretum is an area with rocks, and you can't necessarily plant trees. So the pollinator meadow is kind of the central location of the Arboretum, and that was one of the things that we were talking about with Sustainability Matters, to get something going in that area. And it's easy to maintain, it'd be very beautiful. It's also a nice educational component for our area.
This project is all about bringing together suburban and urban youth for environmental education with this meadow that we're installing. It will be a pollinator meadow, so made up of native wildflowers, native grasses, and really be providing habitat for things like butterflies, bees, moths, and food for birds and other local wildlife, and engaging the community in projects, whether that be monitoring data, going out to that field to do yoga, and just learn how they can help provide native habitats, whether it be in parks or in their own yards.
Sustainability Matters is really one of the more important components of the whole project. We knew that we wanted a trail in the Arboretum, but as far as all of the other things, how do we get partners involved? How do we fund it? At that point, it was just more like a concept. Sustainability Matters came in and presented the meadow, and so the whole project has turned into a reality at this point. Once the spring comes, I feel like you're really going to start seeing some things.
Our approach to conservation as Sustainability Matters is to make sustainability fun, realistic, and inclusive of everybody. So we're very, very excited about being able to partner with local schools, have them come out to conduct some citizen science research at the meadow, and really get a feel for their local environment, their local ecosystem. I think that is honestly the part of the project that I'm most excited for, reaching students and getting them knowledgeable and involved and excited about conservation activities, and hopefully become stewards of our planet for the rest of their lives.
Yeah.